Hello everyone, and welcome. Today we're diving into a memory upgrade specifically designed for the Alienware Aurora R15 Intel desktop. The 32GB Arch Memory DDR5 4800MHz UDIM. If you're looking to boost your system's performance, especially in demanding games or memory-intensive applications, this could be a worthwhile upgrade. This particular module is a 32GB stick operating at a speedy 4800 MHz. It's a 288-pin DDR5 module, so make sure it's compatible with your motherboard before purchasing. It adheres to the PC 5-38400 standard, is non-ECC unbuffered, and runs at a low voltage of 1.1 volts. This is great for keeping temperatures down and ensuring stable performance. One thing that stands out is that it's a dual-rank 2RX8 module with a CAS latency of 40. The lower the CAS latency, the better, but 40 is pretty standard for DDR5 4800 MHz. The dual-rank configuration can offer a slight performance advantage in some workloads compared to single-rank modules. Arch Memory emphasizes the use of rugged Tier 1 IC chipsets, which inspires confidence in the module's reliability and longevity. They are built for both performance and security. The most reassuring aspect is the lifetime replacement warranty. This demonstrates the manufacturer's confidence in their product and provides peace of mind for the end user. If anything goes wrong, you're covered. Upgrading your RAM is one of the easiest and most effective ways to improve your computer's responsiveness. More RAM means your system can handle more tasks simultaneously without slowing down. This 32GB kit is a great option for gamers, content creators, or anyone who frequently works with large files or demanding applications. Installation is generally straightforward. Simply power down your system, ground yourself, locate the RAM slots on your motherboard, and carefully insert the module. Make sure it clicks into place securely. After installation, it's always a good idea to run a memory test to ensure everything is working correctly. Overall, this 32GB Arch Memory DDR5 4800 MHz module appears to be a solid choice for upgrading the RAM in your Alienware Aurora R15 Intel. The specifications are competitive, the components are high quality, and the lifetime warranty provides excellent protection. If you're looking for a reliable and effective way to boost your system's performance, this is definitely worth considering.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.